have that orgasm, for that split second or whatever it is, you are feeling something of the realm that you fell from and became encased in the actual physical. Where is that realm you came from? That realm is your soul. So the whole concept of Jesus saves, the Christ, if you take it away from the physical debauchery of a man that the Romans give you, the Christ is nothing but your soul. Your soul saves. The Christ element means when your soul attains the level of Christ, it is saved because it is broken outside of the matrix that entraps it in physical bondage. So the soul itself is the Savior because the soul is the Christ. Christos, Chrysalis, Pegasus, Paris, Perseus. The soul is the Christ.